Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Huntington easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.huntington.com and press enter. Wait for the Huntington homepage to load completely. Once the page is open, locate the login button on the upper right corner. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering different login options. Select the option that matches your account type, such as personal, business, or credit card. If you have selected personal, you will be directed to the personal login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. Ensure that both your username and password are entered correctly. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. When you are ready, click the blue login button to proceed. You may be prompted for additional security verification, depending on your account settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any security verifications, if necessary. Once verified, you will be logged into your Huntington account. You can now access your account features and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.